Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Anna and I'm a random stranger on the internet talking to you about beauty. Today we are doing another one of my favorite things about fall inspired look. The one today is inspired by pumpkin patch. Zoom in here. We're doing basically a green look that goes into like an orange, because I feel like when people talk about pumpkin patches, they do talk about that bright orange, which is gorgeous, and we all know Anna's totally digging the orange right now. But I also wanted something to pull in that more autumnal green look, because I think that's also fabulous, and I think we're going to be seeing a lot of that going around. The look today was used the Urban Decay, the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and we'll end up using, I set my lid with Breakaway. We'll use Riff, Baja, Accelerate, and then Wanderlust, and we'll use a little bit As Good As Gone as well. So those are the colors that we'll be using. Of course, you can use any palette you have in your collection, but that's what we'll be doing today. All right, guys, let's get into the tutorial. All right. First, I'm going to take the color Riff. On a big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go like all over the outside of the crease. Okay. Now we're gonna go with the shade Baja right here. Another big fluffy brush, and I am going to pop me some orange. I'm going much tighter through the true crease on this one and just letting the fluffy brush control where I'm getting the diffusion. Now we're going to go on with Gone Is Good. And a smaller brush. Sorry, my camera's really having trouble. Really tight. Just on that outer third through this little bit. Little. More Baja. Now we're going to go in with this shade Accelerate. Same brush that had Baja. I'm just going to try to give a little more dimension. Now we're going to go in with the shade Wanderlust. And a flat brush. Alright, so this is what we look like right now. Give me a minute to put on the rest of my face. I'm going to put on eyeliner, and I'll come back and show you the finished look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Let me zoom in closer here. Not bad, right? I really dig it because it is very much, to me, pumpkin patch inspired. It's got the greens, the oranges, but again, another look that I think you could pull off to a variety of events. Very fall and autumnal, but you know, it's nothing like, you're not gonna see this and scream, oh my god, orange. Even though we may do a look that looks like that too. So I just finished it off with a little bit of bronzer, my usual face routine, a nice neutral lip. I did line my eyes, and then I pulled a little bit of the green underneath afterwards. When I was putting on my mascara, I was like, it needs a little something. But yeah, so this is our finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about the camera quality again, but this is our pumpkin patch inspired look with the with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. All right, guys, go into the world, be fabulous, be you. Bye.